When you search for a delicious steak dinner recipe, everything looks the same. Same ingredients, same claims. But to discover what truly stands out and what actually tastes amazing, you have to look a little deeper.
Product number 1, Easy Steak Cookbook. The Easy Steak Cookbook by Chef Maggie Chow caught my attention right away. With 50 delicious steak recipes, it's priced at absolutely nothing for the Kindle edition. If you want a simple way to spice up your steak dinners, this is worth a serious look. What makes this cookbook stand out is its variety. You get everything from tangy sirloin steak to Asian-style steak kebabs, ensuring that you can keep your dinner exciting every week. Each recipe is laid out clearly, making it easy to follow, even if you're not a culinary expert. Plus, the fact that it offers a wide range of flavors means you can cater to different tastes, whether you're hosting a dinner party or just cooking for yourself. Now, I have to be honest, some folks might find the recipes a bit basic if you're looking for gourmet-level dishes. Here's the thing though, this isn't about complexity. It's about getting delicious results without spending hours in the kitchen. If you just want solid recipes that deliver great taste without the fuss, this is still a great pick. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner in the kitchen, or just want straightforward steak recipes. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end, intricate techniques. Honestly, you can't beat the value here, especially for free. Now, if you think simplicity is a downside, the next product offers a deeper dive into steak cooking techniques.
Product number 2, The Perfect Steak Cookbook. The Perfect Steak Cookbook by Will Budiaman is another fantastic option. It's also a Kindle edition, and while it's free too, it packs in a ton of information. If you want a comprehensive guide to steak cooking, this is definitely worth a serious look. This cookbook includes 75 meaty recipes categorized by the cut of meat, which is super helpful for anyone who wants to explore different flavors. The included chapter on sauces is a game changer, giving you options from classic bordelaise to vibrant chimichurri. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Knowing how to pair your steak with the right sauce can transform an ordinary meal into something special. Plus, you'll find perfect sides and drink pairings, which takes the guesswork out of hosting. However, some users have mentioned that the organization of the book can be a bit confusing. But here's the thing. If you're really serious about improving your steak game, a little extra effort to navigate through the book is totally worth it. The depth of recipes and techniques will benefit you in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're serious about mastering steak cooking. Skip this one if you prefer simple, quick recipes over detailed cooking techniques. With so much value packed in, this is a smart choice for any steak lover. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list takes a different approach and offers a unique perspective on steak recipes. Product number 3, Steakhouse. Steakhouse by Eric Wareheim and Gabe Ula takes you on a journey through the culture of steak. Priced at $34.57, this book isn't your typical cookbook. If you want to dive into the world of steak and understand the people and places behind the dishes, this is worth a serious look. What's unique about this book is that it combines recipes with storytelling. You'll learn not just how to cook steak, but also the history and significance of each dish. This means you can impress your friends not just with the flavor of your meal, but with the knowledge behind it. The recipes are accompanied by stunning visuals, making it inspiring to cook along. However, the price point may be a bit steep for those just looking for straightforward recipes. Here's the thing though, if you're passionate about culinary arts and enjoy the cultural context of food, investing in this book can enrich your cooking experience significantly. This is perfect for you if you love storytelling and want to explore the cultural side of steak. Skip this one if you're only looking for quick recipes. It's a unique resource that offers a lot of value beyond just cooking. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly and straightforward, the next product might be right up your alley.
Product number 4, Beef Dinner Cookbook. Beef Dinner Cookbook by Booksumo Press is a solid budget option at $10.14. This book features delicious beef recipes for both weeknight and weekend cooking. If you want a variety of beef dishes, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the diversity of recipes. You get everything from south-of-the-border meatloaf to Jamaican beef patties, ensuring you never run out of ideas. The recipes are easy to follow and perfect for busy households, making it easier to incorporate beef into your weekly meals. And the focus on weeknight dinners means you can whip up something satisfying without spending hours in the kitchen. Some readers have pointed out that the book might lack some gourmet options, but honestly, if you're looking for practical recipes that fit into real life, this isn't a deal breaker. This cookbook is designed for everyday cooks who want tasty meals without the fuss. This is perfect for you if you're looking for quick, family-friendly beef recipes. Skip this one if you're only interested in gourmet or complex dishes. It's a great value for anyone wanting to enjoy beef without breaking the bank. Now, if you're interested in a meat lover's paradise, the final product is going to blow your mind.
Product number 5, 103 Delicious Meat Dinners. 103 Delicious Meat Dinners by Demea Dine is priced at $11.99 and is perfect for those who adore meat. If you're looking for a comprehensive cookbook specifically for meat lovers, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook is packed with a whopping 103 recipes that cover a wide range of meat dishes. This means you can explore different cuts, flavors, and cooking techniques all in one place. Whether you're in the mood for a juicy steak or a hearty beef stew, this book has you covered. It caters to all kinds of meat lovers, making it versatile for different occasions. However, some might find the sheer number of recipes a bit overwhelming. But here's the thing, having such a variety can actually inspire you to try new things. If you're someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this cookbook can spark your creativity. This is perfect for you if you're a meat enthusiast, always looking for new recipes to try. Skip this one if you're overwhelmed by too many options. Overall, it's a great investment for anyone serious about cooking meat. Product number 5, 103 Delicious Meat Dinners. 103 Delicious Meat Dinners by Demea Dine is priced at $11.99 and is perfect for those who adore meat. If you're looking for a comprehensive cookbook specifically for meat lovers, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook is packed with a whopping 103 recipes that cover a wide range of meat dishes. This means you can explore different cuts, flavors, and cooking techniques all in one place. Whether you're in the mood for a juicy steak or a hearty beef stew, this book has you covered. It caters to all kinds of meat lovers, making it versatile for different occasions. However, some might find the sheer number of recipes a bit overwhelming. But here's the thing, having such a variety can actually inspire you to try new things. If you're someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this cookbook can spark your creativity. This is perfect for you if you're a meat enthusiast, always looking for new recipes to try. Skip this one if you're overwhelmed by too many options. Overall, it's a great investment for anyone serious about cooking meat.